guys.
Hi.
How's it going?
It's going great. Okay.
So I think we'll dive right into the questions. The first one being, what do we like the most about More Engage? So I'll start. I think the open door policy for sure that the company has. I think that ideology gets perpetuated across all levels of the organization. I think from the HR department to our own team leads and obviously the senior management as well. So I think I like the fact that I can just walk up to you, ask you about what is happening in Southeast Asia and how we can maybe implement that in India as well, to see whether that works for us or not. So yeah, I think I really like that aspect of my job in More Engage.
Yeah, I agree with that. So in the product and engineering also, we have never seen any restrictions where you have to plan and schedule ahead and think before reaching out to anybody. We can literally just walk up to anybody from everybody and just ask whatever we need. One thing I also love about More Engage is it has a very collaborative environment. I mean, you can literally, no matter what department you're from or what function you belong to, you can work easily and everybody is very approachable here.
What do you think about the diversity aspect of it? Are we doing enough?
I want to talk about my involvement here as an individual, just from a learning aspect of it and as well as the career part of it. So when I joined, just to give a little bit of a background, right? When I joined, I was taking care of one channel in marketing, which was field marketing. And then over time, based on contributions I was providing towards the region, towards different things that we were doing, I was given higher responsibilities. I was asked to handle more things, more channels than one. So while I came in for just handling one particular channel, in a span of 8 to 9 months, I was given a promotion and I was also asked to handle more channels than I was already handling. And there was also a great support that was provided by the marketing leadership, wherein they kind of brought in whatever it is that we need, right? Whatever resources you need, whatever kind of help you need. They were always thinking about us, putting us at the center of it all, and we were talking about how do we give whatever you need to succeed in this organization and ahead as well. And while we're talking about that, even from a skill angle, right? We always have these skill development workshops, brown bag sessions where people come in and teach us more about our own domain, and we kind of get that idea of what others outside the industry are doing. So that's also kind of been super helpful, at least in my specific domain.
That I as well like a lot. I think there have been plenty of opportunities in terms of not just what my core skill set or what I was hired for was, but also things that are to do with how can I get honed more as like a management management prospect instead of just being somebody who takes care of content.
I completely agree with that. I think even my journey has been kind of similar. So I've started off here as a recruitment coordinator, and then I moved to operations. I got an opportunity there. Now I take care of onboarding, offboarding, and I also take care of employee well-being. So I think I've evolved as a person, professionally as well as personally. So, and I think the fact that when we discuss KPIs and all, we also discuss personal growth. So these are the annual KPIs. This is what we're doing. This is what the team should be doing. But it has always included that what are your KPIs? What personally, what do you want to grow? Next year, where do you want to see yourself?
And one more thing that's really great about the team has been that with D and I, they actually have sessions that speak to the people here. They kind of ensure that we are always educated about what D and I stands for, and there are no gaps, right? And there are no like misdemeanors. So they ensure that people always understand what it means, and they try to go that extra step of taking training sessions, having webinars, having in-person sessions. That's really nice to see.
Yeah, and one other thing I've really liked is the bench relief thing. I mean, it was really upsetting when your annual leaves get kind of used up, when you're feeling well. So that has really helped. Right?
Yeah, I think the menstrual leave policy in general has been super helpful.
And even the maternity and paternity leaves, I think it's nice to see how both the genders are kind of put on the same level field and given the same amount of empathy. It's nice to see that you can take some time off without feeling guilty or without tapping into your annual leaves, right, to take care of your children. I think that's what makes the entire ideology of being supportive, really on paper also, not just in words that get spoken around in, say, some all hands or townhouses. Yeah.
Correct.